Welcome to my February workshop series. I'm offering a strengthening your couple relationship, get back on track, try to see what patterns are getting in your way of connecting in the month of February. So click the link below if you want to sign up for the very free 90-minute workshop. And if you can't attend at the time I'm offering it, don't hesitate to just sign up for it and listen to the recording at your leisure. February is a month that we get to reflect on love. What's the quality of our relationships like? How connected are we? At this Valentine's Day, if you're just writing a obligatory card or you're feeling like begrudgingly going to the same restaurant, or you actually feel amazing, but you want to make sure that you keep this quality of your connection going. This is a really good spot to see if you can do anything else. If there's any other tool you could implement that is easy and simple that would bring closeness. Remember, it's the way that you interact with yourself around being in a connection that also really counts. So get a few tips, spend a little time, reflect, and give yourself the gift of deep connection. That's such a big gift. I hope to see you there, or I hope to hear from you and hear your comments about if you like the workshop or not. Happy Valentine's Day.